Hi, my name is Elizabeth Neiman, and today I'm going to talk to you about how your internet browsing history correlates to your ads that you see on your internet websites. This is an intriguing topic for me because I totally thought nothing of it until I did a little bit of research in a prior class, so I thought, what a great informative speech topic. Anyway, I've got a little bit of experience researching it in a prior class, and then I also engulfed myself in Google articles as well as scholarly journals to give myself a more well-rounded, better understanding, unbiased approach on advertising and marketing, data collection techniques, and how they correlate to ad-specific marketing. That being said, I want to jump right into my first topic, which is going to be what is being collected, and that is going to be your data. So think of your data compilation like a digital footprint, and that is what we're going to talk about and how we get it. So Jordan Smith, a content specialist with Leverage Marketing, stated, information is pulled from a consumer web usage, search inquiries, past products viewed, social media pages, and online activities. So that's just to name a few. So we're going to talk about search history, which would entail cookies. So our first party cookies are a data exchange from an internet server to your computer and back seamlessly without being edited. It creates a specific user ID for our computer, so if we return to that website, it knows we're a returning user and not a new customer. First party cookies are created specifically by the website that you're on. The next way it's collected is search and purchase data. So anytime you search anything on a search engine or purchase something on a shopping platform or even add it to your cart and don't check out, it actually goes into your digital footprint. The other thing is profile data. So any kind of dating websites, any kind of social media platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all of those add to your digital footprint. Any personal data, anything about you, characteristics, birthday, political affiliation, hobbies, gender, anything you post on social media and delete, anything you type out and then you decide you don't want on there in backspace, it actually goes into your digital footprint as well. Clickstream data is a digital roadmap of where you've been on a website. It tracks your digital behaviors, which is how long you look at something, how many things you clicked on, what you clicked on, and how long you were actually on the website. That takes us to my second point, which is how that data is being used. So what you're looking up, when you're browsing, and what you disclose, and how it shapes your digital footprint. According to the website howstuffworks.com/cookies, there are certain infrastructure providers that actually create cookies that are visible on multiple sites. DoubleClick is the most famous example of this. DoubleClick can place small GIF files on a site that allow DoubleClick to load cookies on your computer. DoubleClick can then track your movement across multiple sites. That, my friends, is called a third-party cookie. Much like a first-party cookie, third-party cookies are created by a third party. First-party cookies are created by the website you're on. Third parties are created by a third party. These cookies are how data is tracked and collected over multiple platforms, and that's a lot of how your digital footprint is created. Data collection techniques, just to recap, are going to be online tracking, which is going to be your first-party cookies, your third-party cookies, and your browsing history. Then it's going to be your profile data, which is anything you put online, social media, dating profiles, things like that. And then subscriptions and registrations, so anything you subscribe to or register for or have to sign into, such as Pandora, Amazon, Spotify, things like that. And then if you think about your digital footprint, you think that's a lot of unorganized data. So what happens to be able to utilize this data is algorithms are used to sort and organize the data with precision and speed. They actually then use what's called a learning algorithm, which is also known as artificial intelligence, to analyze the organized and sorted data and compile user profiles based on marketing need. So that leads me into what's called strategic marketing, which is marketing specific ads based on the user's digital footprint across multiple platforms. That's why you can search for something 3 weeks ago and see an ad for it on a website that you're on today. My third point that I'm going to touch on is why your data is used. So Jose R. Saro was quoted saying, today the daily roadmap for companies that operate the internet include techniques such as search engine optimization, optimization of search results from major search engines, search engine marketing or programmatic advertising, strategies to sponsor ads in search engines or advertising space on banners and websites, as well as social media marketing, which is strategies of interacting with users on social networks through social ads. So to break down those a little bit, search engine optimization is using your digital footprint to optimize your search results. So your Google searches are tailored by your digital footprint. The next is search engine marketing, which is utilizing search engine optimization, but it incorporates paid advertising based on your data profile or your digital footprint. Social media marketing is using your digital footprint to tailor ads to appear on your social platform. The platform itself uses an algorithm to align the priority of the feed by the attention paid to the advertisement. So if you as the user pay a lot of attention to the advertisement, then you will see more. To conclude, today I explained internet browsing and correlation of such to ad-specific marketing. Finally, after examining the way our data is collected, used, and used on us, I hope that I've informed everyone and you are empowered by this information.